in this second section, we'll actually begin the actual installation on DigitalOcean. So remember that now you have already secured your bearer token, and I have it in a text document that I can use and copy and paste. And so the next step is to basically go through these steps. We have 8 steps in order to install Mecodify on a DigitalOcean droplet. So first, obviously you need to already have an account with DigitalOcean. So I'm assuming that you've logged in. So in my case, I will open this link. This link will take you to a special page, which is the control panel. There you will notice that you have a create button. So once you're logged in, you'll be able to create a droplet. And you can either click here or click create droplets here. So I click here and create droplet. And then that's the first step. So you have gone to that location and you created a droplet. Next, you need to choose an image, click on Marketplace. So here I need to go to under choose an image, click on Marketplace. That's it. And then after that, it says select the image lamp on Ubuntu 2004. So you see there's this one that's called lamp on Ubuntu. So it's a Linux image that you can use. And thereafter, you go forward to select additional options and select user data in the text box that appears. All right, so let us go to select additional options. Let's see, go down. Everything stays as it is. And then under additional options, you have user data. So you select that. And now you go to this box. And what do we need to have here? It says, so go, please paste the code you find in the digital file. So I need to open this file. I'll open it in a new window. And I go to that window. And I was told to copy this content and paste it here. So I do that. So I pasted it. As you can see, it's all here. Then it says, copy and paste the Twitter API bearer token you have created. All right, so this is the one that I mentioned to you earlier that you get from Twitter. And this needs to be, pasted directly in this code. So I need to go to Twitter. I assume that we are back in Twitter. You regenerated it and then you copied that. And now it's in memory. I'm also having it here. So I'll copy it. And now I go here to the droplet and I insert it exactly in this location between the two single quotes. So it will be like that. I am redacting this because this is somewhat of a secret that you should not, no one should look at, and so no one should share and reveal. So then what happens later is that you have to click on create droplet and wait for 5 to 10 minutes. So I go down to create droplet and then I click here. And now I have to wait for another 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll now, let's say, pause the recording and come back in 10 minutes. So we are now after 10 minutes since we have created the droplet. You will notice here that you have an IP address, and it allows you, if you hover here, it allows you to copy it. So you can go ahead and copy this. And maybe in a new tab, you just simply paste. This will actually open up your installation of Mecodify. Notice that this is not a secure connection, so this needs to be somewhat protected for your security. Make sure that no one knows about this application until you create a domain name. So now you simply sign up and do all the other work with it. Notice that you can always, whenever you create a droplet, notice that towards the bottom you have various plans and regions. And so this is basically a very, very basic one, which is the cheapest that you can get. But obviously, depending on the traffic and the, let's say, the demand that you have on the service, you may want to have a better plan than this. So this is basically the absolute minimum on DigitalOcean. So with that, this was the DigitalOcean droplet setup for Mecodify. And in the next section, I'll be introducing the AWS method of doing the same. Thank you.